Hi, welcome to Craft Little Things. I'm Andrea, and today I've got a pocket letter swap from the lovely Sue Bishop. This is the second one I've received. I love this tissue with the gold foiling and the silver. It's lovely. People find some really lovely tissue, don't they? Oh, that's cute. My week. An organiser. This is definitely what I'm using a lot of at the minute, and I'm finding I've got different things going on for different projects. So I've got like a work one, and so this will be really useful. I mean, I've got a craft one, so this will be a really good one for my work one, and I've got my charity one. So sort of, it'll be really handy to have three all working together. My week. Because, yeah, it'd be good to have all of them working together, because then I'll know where I've got overlaps and things. So that's great. Fabulous. Oh, some lovely thick ribbon. I always save ribbon because I sew, so I use a lot of ribbon in sewing projects and crochet projects, so I never throw ribbon away. I love this tape as well. The washi tape's like ribbon itself, it's gorgeous. Oh, hang on, there's two here. Oh. I've got so confused with my pocket letters that I'm telling people I haven't received them, that I have received them. Because what I'm trying to do is to film myself opening them and then share that once that person has sent the letters have been received by everyone, in case there's something the same. So I'm getting a little bit confused with things. I don't even know if that made any sense. Definitely saving this tissue, it's lovely. Oh, these are all, our theme was florals. So what I've done, you'll see what I've done with mine, is I've tried to make all of my bits and bobs floral things. These are so cute. These are really thick. They're lovely. They're just popped out, unfortunately. I just try and pop them back in where they belong. I love ginghams, and I love like tea set and tea time themed things. And to me, these will go really well with that kind of thing. They're lovely. These are beautiful. Lovely sentiments. They're great for cards. Don't really have to do a lot, do you, to make that into a card? They're beautiful. And then stickers that go with them. Gorgeous. Oh, there's some papers as well. They're beautiful. Love those. I just love gingham. I'm trying to make a gingham blanket. They're absolutely gorgeous. I love those. They will all get used for sure. I love flowers. Hence me going for the floral theme. So thank you, Sue, they're gorgeous. Now I'm assuming this is the pocket letter itself. Oh, look at that. Just looks gorgeous already. Oh, and that was the back. Oh, it's gorgeous. Oh, Sue's gone with the flowery theme as well. Oh, it's absolutely gorgeous. Oh, even flowery ribbon. I was searching for some flowery ribbon to put on mine. I didn't have any. A lovely charm there and a tassel. Great minds think alike, so you'll see what I mean when you get yours. Oh, and this lovely flowery washi tape as well with the little flower stickers. Oh, I love tassel. I love navy blue as well. Lovely big safety pin, paper clip. It feels like a fussy foam ribbon with a lovely gold It's double-sided. Oh, look at those beautiful little flowers. Lovely stickers here, sentiments, all florals, lovely. Just double-sided those as well. They're so pretty, they are. They'll go perfectly on a project I've got in mind at the minute. These lovely little satin flower ribbon bows. And some gorgeous leaves. I love leaves. I love these. You know, I got some of these in a stash bundle that I bought ages ago, and I love them, and I've used them all up and I couldn't find any more, and they're exactly the same, so I'll have to, I'm really pleased with those. Here's just like an eclectic mix of, they're cute, little stickers, die cuts, little stick-ons. Oh, these are all wooden flowers, little signs, little tiny, oh, they're so cute, little tiny bees and dragonflies. They're gorgeous. Oh, I love those. Thank you, so beautiful. I won't put everything back in. I'll do it all when I've come off camera, because otherwise I'll be here all day. There's some lovely sentiments, again on lovely floral paper. Oh, they're vases. They're well cute. They look really gorgeous with their real flowers coming out of them. Oh, that's so cute. Little watering can. And then what's in here? I hope it's not chocolate, Sue. I think it could well be. Oh, the green and black's little chocolate bar. I think I might allow myself that one, because we're on a bit of a health drive at the minute, but one of those is going to be okay. And then for you, this lovely foiled here. Gorgeous flower there. Imagine that. That's lovely. I think that's been embossed. I don't think there's anything in there. Let me just check. Oh, there is. Oh, this is my letter. Lovely writing. Hi Andrew, thank you so much for swapping pocket letters with me. I hope you can put the little bits and bobs to good use. Happy crafting, teammate. Love, Stu. Oh, so cute. There's a load of butterfly die cuts. They're all embossed. They're gorgeous. Absolutely. I love the little belly band around the envelope. I love the envelope itself. Let's see how you make that. There's a nice big star paper clip there, which definitely get used. I'll use everything anyway. I like, and I think Sue must know that I've got a love of sewing and needlecraft, because she's included some gorgeous coloured die cuts here. Scissors, bobbins, sewing machine. I will definitely be using those. They are so cute. Thank you so much for those. You clearly know me. Here's some gorgeous little flowers. These again with paper flowers are beautiful. And those foiled ones in the back. They're gorgeous. I do a lot of black based projects as well, so they'll look really cute on some of my stuff. I've never seen any of these things before. Oh, a little cascade of, oh, there's a little jar and loads of flowers. These are gorgeous. Lovely die cuts. My brain wears away. When I see things I think, oh, I could use this on that, I could use that on that. They're lovely, absolutely gorgeous. I don't think I've got any of those. So they'll all get used, put to good use, definitely. These decoupage pieces are gorgeous as toppers for cards. I've made a right mess of it, haven't I? This is me though. Oh, some lovely leaf cutouts there. I love foliage cutouts. You can never have too many. 'Cause I do the flowers. Oh, and they're gorgeous. They're little resin flowers. They're lovely. Flat back. They're not beads, are they? No, they're resin stick-ons. They are gorgeous. Yeah, with the foliage, I cut out my flowers and then I think, well, if I've got a little pot full of die cut leaves and foliage, comes in so handy. Oh, look at these. Where did they come from? They must have fallen out of the back of something else. Oh, there's stuff I didn't even notice was there. Oh, look at that. Is that a little fridge magnet? I think that's magnetic, isn't it? Let me just see. That is so cute. I love that. Little jar of love. And these brads, look. I love brads. These are great. I wonder where she got those from. They're lovely. Oh, I love everything. Thank you so much, Sue. These swaps are really nice because you get little bits and bobs of things that you maybe haven't had before or seen before. But it has made mine feel a little bit mediocre, to be honest. But, oh well. I'll try better next time. There's just some gorgeous stuff in here. It's lovely. Thank you so much, Sue. Really, really, I'm going to put all this to use. Gosh, I love that. I love that, just the idea of a little rough cut piece of fabric with a coloured die cut on top. That's really cute. And that's, obviously that's the same. I love those. I love everything. Right, thank you so much. And if you're wondering how to do a pocket letter, or what they are, or what you put in them and things like that, I'm going to do a video showing me putting mine together, which is my first attempt. And I've kind of based mine on things I've seen and received. So that video will be coming up very soon. But in the meantime, just thank you so much for these lovely gifts. It's so nice to share a love of crafting with other people, and it's so nice to you know, given, oops, hang on a minute, there's something else in there, something else. It's, yeah, it's so nice to there's a card, to share little bits and bobs of what we gather. Oh, what a gorgeous card. Enjoy the moment. It's lovely, thank you. Yeah, those are greens. I just love getting these things. I just love handmade things. And I love bits and bobs that I wouldn't otherwise have seen. So just thank you so much. Yeah, watch out for me showing you how I put together my effort. Okay, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.